Watch, look at this 06 Eclipse.
Hey man,
I'll take big old dually here.
it's looking mean. The Roadhog out here.
Well, look at
I
it.
seen this shit on Marketplace, bro. Look at this bitch, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This shit look like it need a little love. It's got a crazy Fast and Furious wing
It's a
on
work
it,
in
but,
progress,
hey,
bro. I ain't gonna lie.
as long as you can work with it, that's all that matters about working with shit in life.
That's
so,
what I'm saying, man. Like, it's
as long as
fixing
you
up
work with
progress.
it, we wanna see what it's talking about. So.
The pickup of the new Eclipse. It's lower. It's got shit done. It's a work in progress. To it. Just got it all loaded up. Find it out. Take it when you want to. We got big old dually. We got little nigga. We got the Eclipse. Holy shit. The fucking changing color. Ain't a bad wrap job. Wings done. Like unlike the body panels, you can see it's been 15 years of wrap. Hold on. Got a little ding here. Can't complain, shit. Somebody painted the brakes. It's working. But you see the fucking valve, the valve stems?
It makes it faster. Motor madness.
Fucking skull. Deadness.
He said you can't get.
Let me get the shell trailer.
You can't get.
Fucking money. This thing's on the ground. Underglow scraping. This shit looks raggedy as fuck. I ain't gonna lie. Time for the masterpiece. This shit light. It's fucking way better. I was trying to put that on the fucking Jeep. I put that with the This shit light as hell. Think this is real? Probably not. Is that baller?
It'll look nice on there.
Sheesh. Interior definitely needs a good old vacuuming out. It's dirty as hell in this motherfucker. And I like the cloth better, so I might switch this out to the cloth. I ain't really a big fan of the leather. The pleather shit, I feel. Trunk, like I said, I gave everything a whole bunch of junk. Cause he had a parts Eclipse too. Look like a 07 drop top, cause that's what that manual said. I'm definitely just gonna throw all that shit away and just clean this shit up and get new. Big ass spider was trying to get me earlier. Yeah. Like I said, a new trunk too. The damn nigga drew. Before I had a wing, he had holes in it and shit. I took the third wiper out and shit. So I'm gonna definitely get a new ducktail. The trunk. Sunroof is good though. Okay, that's how I remember. Okay, it's got the intake hooked up. Don't mind there's some jankiness some places. But it's better than what it was before. And I got the map fully hooked up, so see if it cranks up, see what it sounds like. Right back. Good old 6.7 Chummins done jumped that dual wheel, jumped it. And yeah, stuff in the intake was running way better. Before it was shaking. And as I figured out, janky ass intake I had on it, wasn't doing shit. So I ain't got much oil in this, so I don't probably warm up, so I'm gonna get this big guzzler turned off. Okay, I think it might be running a little rich. Besides that, it's running way better than what I've had it. Battery got some fucking 2016-year-old gas in the battery. Or where the fuck that shit is, I guess. But I don't know. Dirty. It's a lot of factors I could be, because I didn't do that shit before until I hooked this intake up. Might just be that dirty intake. Man. It's not bad though. It's like it's damn turbo. I can't wait to get a clutch in this bitch, right? That shit geeked. shit left. Oh yeah. You see it's moving some. Then first would be up. Yeah, bro, I can't wait to get clutch in this car. Oh my god. Let me let me see the codes for it. Get in the back. You want to see how your camera action is. Get... Do it again. Oh, take a spill like about clean up. You bought that, AJ? Huh?
What you doing?
That's the intake. What's wrong with the intake?
No. Look at this. Check. Let's say, Russ, there's that.
Hey, it's free. Can't complain. Shit.
Hey, it still worked though.
I'm picking up off the 3 yard sale.
For real, bro. How you feel about that?
Loosens up to that piece of See how it's gliding?
That mean I pulled it too much? I did have the fucking tail light out. Oh, pulling up crazy. Yeah.
What's good, man? You know, we got a new addition in the motherfucking family. You know what I'm saying?
New one in the fleet.
New one too. Hard motherfucking two in the fleet.
Getting there.
Hold on.
It's a much better experience.
Bro. What do you think about this?
What am I looking at here?
Eclipse.
That Need for Speed, Fast and Furious Eclipse.
Yeah.
You should have kept the wing on it.
Alright,
When you do it,
it's in the side. What you think about it?
Put it on the side of the house.
get it together. You just gotta get this wrap off. It looks like.
Okay.
It looks like it's been fucking shitted on up here. But
Hey, that's sunburnt. That's sunburnt. It's been sitting.
it's coming along.
The black's coming back
That's all that matters.
until it gets orange again.
It's all about work.
We're working with it. Mismatch. I got the side skirt off. Fender, it's his whole side. And the half back bumper, you don't see. I figured eventually I would see some wrap handing because probably there's something there and they had to fix it so it wouldn't show through the wrap. So that's the first spot I seen. It's kind of peeling like right here, but new bumper. If I do keep it black or when I wrap it, it should be alright. But yeah, it's looking way better. The wheels I kind of like more and more with the blackness. So yeah, I have to get a new trunk, so I ain't gonna pull this. I'll just get a black trunk, hood too, and probably these pieces, which are in the junkyard. I'm gonna have to go back up there and see today, cause get these, the hood, bumper, headlights. Let's clean this motherfucker up. Look, ooh, it's the ugly side, ooh. And the gas cap. So let me get to figure out what I'm about to do next. See you guys in a minute. So got my 2 dirty corner pieces. So you know, regular G drop 4-banger. Yeah, shit. I need more parts. I'll just come back, but let's get these 2 and go home. It's hot out. Nice ass day too. So yep, I'm out. Okay, it's time for me to clean up this nasty injury bag. I'm tired of this rat shit and just tired of all this shit. It's getting cleaned right now. So let me get to it. Alright, I cleaned up. I'm about to peel some of this wrap and shit, probably call it a day. Shit, I'll probably end the video after this one. Y'all see the part 2 pulling the wrap, probably the bumper, headlights, clutch, all that. So this is probably in the video actually. Terry needs clean, still don't mind that. Yeah, oh, truck. coming in progress, man. It's work in progress. You see me in inflation. It's already dirty too. So man, like I said, I appreciate y'all for watching. By watching new build Eclipse. GT. See you guys soon, man. I appreciate it.